Hi, my name is James C., and this year I'll be conducting a study investigating the correlation of the development of children's phonological processing, intelligence quotient, and reading cognition. Reading is a very complex cognitive process that requires professional instruction to develop. Its importance in education, communication, and brain development allows it to become a very integrated and prevalent aspect of today's world. Phonology, which is a branch of language focusing on the study of the organization of sounds within languages, incorporates mechanisms for comprehending, storing, and repeating phonological data orally. As phonology links the written phonemic units in reading with sound, it serves a significant role in reading acquisition.
Within phonology, the component phonological awareness is the awareness of the sound structure of an oral language. In a research article titled The Relationship Between Phonological Awareness and Reading, Implications for the Assessment of Phonological Awareness, done by the University of Kansas, asserts that phonological awareness ability is a key predictor of future reading ability in children, especially at the onset of reading instruction.
Also, reading disabilities such as dyslexia may even develop in individuals with high IQs, illustrating how intelligence may not be directly related to reading. However, IQ tests often include components of written language that are closely related to reading, and reading is also a prominent focus in the educational system, which poses the question as to why this may be. Thus, it is important to investigate the different processes associated with reading and the degree to which they are interconnected to acquire a more cohesive grasp of the reading process. In my study, these relationships are examined within young children ages 3 to 7 who are beginning to learn to read and gradually gaining proficiency. Due to the overlapping brain regions and interconnected skills that reading incorporates, this method of investigation allows for an optimal understanding of reading.
This experiment is guided by the mentorship of Dr. Kai K. Jasinska and Ms. Ari Lau from the Haskins Laboratories of Yale University.
To conduct this experiment, children ages 3 to 7 are randomly selected from the New Haven community and given standardized assessments to determine the phonological processing ability, intelligence quotient, and reading cognition of the children. All testing is done at Haskins Laboratories and is currently an ongoing process. My role in this project consists of many tasks. I, along with my mentors and the research team at Haskins Laboratories, am testing the children using a standard assessment battery to investigate the skills within the study. After testing is performed, we will collaboratively score the assessments according to the testing manuals provided with the assessments and compile the data into a FileMaker database. Then I will analyze the data using Pearson's correlation coefficient to determine the correlation degree between phonologic processing, IQ, and reading cognition as reading proficiency progresses. Also, central tendencies and median splits will be used to identify potential relationships between phonology, IQ, and reading within individuals. This analysis determines the effect that other cognitive indicators and cognitive processes may have with reading and how they affect reading. Overall, this experiment will start from mid-October 2015 and end around mid-January. Thank you for considering my project for the Connecticut Science and Engineering Fair.